It is my pleasure to welcome you all to yet another episode of Valentine Wali Cookies. It is an absolutely amazing story which I am sure every one of you will find relatable, and I think it will probably propel you to think about certain things and act accordingly. But I can promise you that this is not a serious kind of a story which some people told me that an earlier episode was. I can also tell you that it is not on a taboo kind of a subject which an episode earlier was, as people told me. So I hope you all like it, and without wasting any more time, let's dig into it. What defines us? Body shape? Clothes? No, makeup? No, silly. It's the place where we live. Perhaps yes, but mostly I think people we hang out with reflects upon our public social image. No, I know it is. Stop. We can go on and on. Listen to Amrita's story to know the answer. Amrita, 25 years old, teacher in a high school as an intern, and yet she can give competition to all the beauty divas and fashionistas. You know, she is not the boring kind of a teacher who's always wearing the saris or, the salwar kameez. Even if she wears all that, she can give a tough competition to everyone. She is no less than a diva. But other than all this, she is the daughter of a rich family living in one of the posh areas in South Delhi. But caution. Beware. Beware of what? Dude, it's her age to get married. Meet her dashing, cool fiancé Sumit, who she met 5 months ago in an arranged marriage setup. Before any misconceptions start building up, let me put it out clearly. He is very liberal, very supportive of Amrita's career, and does not tell her what to wear, what to eat, etc. He could be every girl's dream man. Oh God, their date, it's so romantic. Music, chocolates, wine, cake, and Amrita's favorite continental and healthy food. Wow, how lovely they look together while they dance. May the evil eye ward off. कहीं किसी की नजर न लग जाए इन दोनों को. Anyone who would see them say all these things. It used to be a usual affair when they were spotted together. They are, after all, compatible in every sense of the word. Amrita comes out of her room. While Amrita is ready for her dinner date, the aunt stares at her and calls out her mum. Both are speechless. While Amrita bids them goodbye, they stop her. ये क्या पहना है? क्यों बोई? कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया क्या? Amrita's mom interrupts the conversation. Amu, just go and change. सुमित ने तुम्हें ऐसे देख लिया तो क्या mom? If he wants to break रिश्ता with me, he is free to do so. But मैं जैसी हूँ अब से वैसी ही रहूँगी. अपनी बॉडी शेप चेंज करने के लिए अब मैं वो शेप वेयर नहीं पहनने वाली. ऐसा लगता है जैसे टॉयलेट जाना है लेकिन शेप वेयर ने पनिशमेंट दे रखी है कि नहीं जा सकते. पता है सांस भी नहीं आती. ऐसा लगता है जैसे सांस लेने पे, टॉयलेट जाने पे टैक्स दे रहे हो. ना कुछ खा सकते, ना कुछ पी सकते, यहाँ तक कि बैठा भी नहीं जाता है. मैं अब वो शेप वेयर नहीं पहनने वाली. ओए कुड़ी, कैसी गल्ला कर रही है? ओ पड़ोस में ये चोपड़ास, भल्लास, कपूर की कहेंगे जे पता चल गया कि तेरे वजन की वजह से तेरा रिश्ता टूट गया. और फिर तेरे ये कपड़े देख, इस मिड्डी वाली ड्रेस में कितनी मोटी लग रही है. और जे पता चल गया कि अभी तक वो शेप वाले कपड़े पहन करी तू. बोई, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. गल्ला को रखो गल्ले पे, चोपड़ों को निकालो खोपड़ी से, भल्ले को खाओ दही से, नमक मिर्च लगा के. और कपूर अगर कुछ बोले तो शो हिम योर मिडिल फिंगर. लोग क्या कहेंगे इज नॉट गोइंग टू डिफाइन मी एनी मोर. बाकी मिडिल फिंगर कैसे दिखाते हैं, रॉक स्टार में रणबीर कपूर को देखकर सीख लेना, या नमस्ते लंदन में अक्षय कुमार और ऋषि कपूर को देख लेना. अब मैं चलती हूँ, मेरी डेट है। रिश्ता रहा तो डेट होगी, देर से आऊँगी। नहीं बचा तो पार्टी करूँगी। ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी ड्रेस है, ये मेरी बॉडी है और अब मैं पार्टी करने जा रही हूँ। बाय। So guys, how do you like this? Very relatable, don't you think? लोग क्या कहेंगे, इस चीज़ ने हम सब की लाइफ को बहुत ज़्यादा समय तक डिफाइन किया है। आपको नहीं लगता? हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनेट हो जाते हैं इस चीज़ से कि अगर हम कुछ करेंगे तो सामने वाला क्या कहेगा। I'll tell you about myself that my life has been dominated by these logs for the most of the times. Actually, when I was putting up those posts and those stories about log kya kahenge, I got this idea to write a cookie on this particular subject. Log kya kahenge? Dude, it's our life. We should decide how we want to live it. Why should those log get to decide what we want? I don't think it's fair, is it? अगर उनकी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा नहीं है करने को, so what right do they have to dominate us? So, I decided very recently that from now on, my life is going to be my life. It is not going to be dominated by these logs who have no business with me. I am going to do whatever I want. In fact, before starting this podcast, I was like, yaar, log kya kahenge? What are people going to say? But then, logo ki -- beep. Please feel free to fill this up according to your own preferences and choices. I'll leave it at that. Anyways, so guys, if you like this cookie, please share it with your friends who also might find it relatable, and perhaps they will find some inspiration to just shut off these logs from their lives and move on the way they want to. And please do like it, share it with your friends and family, comment and give me a follow if you like listening to stories. Thank you all very much for being here, for listening to this cookie, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Mwah.